Hey lads, TechScanning here. So DJI is sparking the excitement in the drone community as after around 2 years, their next generations, the DJI Avata 2 and Goggles 3 are on their way to make a debut. Fortunately, even before any official launch, we got a glimpse at the DJI Avata 2 thanks to a reliable and well-known tipster Igor Bogdanov. So looking at the Avata 2, we can see the DJI logo on the top while the Avata 2 branding alongside the on-off button on the back. With some changes, overall it resembles its predecessor. It retains the Cinewob foam with enclosed propellers, which is great for safety while indoor and tight places flights. Compared to its predecessor, Avata 2 sports a less bulky and more streamlined frame. We can notice the change in propeller shape, which suggests the possible improvement in areas such as flight performance and noise reduction. At the moment, unfortunately, the camera details are still under wraps, but most likely Avata 2 will bring superior image quality over its predecessor. Moreover, there is also said to be improved obstacle avoidance, which will of course help the user to operate the drone in complex environments. Moving forward, the same tipster also shared a look at the DJI Goggles 3, showcasing some exciting changes. The handset seems to have 2 cameras on the front, which suggests it may offer some sort of augmented reality features like we have seen recently on the Apple Vision Pro. In that case, it is going to be very interesting direction from the drone specialist DJI. Now, at the moment, it is unclear whether it will operate with the DJI Avata 2 like the Goggles 2 work with the original Avata, or it will operate as an independent device. Now, in terms of features and launch date, not much is known about both devices, but of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be any details. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.